Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Sharanya, also known as Mrs. Explorer, and I make videos on travel, food, and lifestyle. I went out for a staycation with my girls at my very own city, Bengaluru. This is luxury redefined and the ultimate staycation in the garden city of Bengaluru. This is one of India's most elegant hotels set amidst lush gardens and tranquil fountains. Welcome to the Oberoi Bangalore, located in the heart of the city at MG Road. And don't even get me started about the food. The food is so good, and as you might already know, some of the best restaurants in the city are located inside the Oberoi, like Lapis, Wabi Sabi, and Rimnam. So you might think, why am I staying in a hotel in Bengaluru when I myself stay in Bengaluru? So this is a special occasion and I'm here to celebrate with my girls. So we decided to do a staycation at the Oberoi. From the moment you step into the grand lobby, the Oberoi exudes timeless charm and impeccable hospitality. Join me as I explore my stunning garden view room, some gourmet dining options at the hotel's world class restaurants, some serene spa and wellness experience, and of course, the lush tropical gardens that make you forget that you are in the middle of the city. The check in time is around 2 p.m., and early check in is subject to availability. So, we had some plans in the morning and we reached hotel around the check in time, and now we are proceeding towards our room. We are four people and we've booked two rooms, and I can't wait to show you all around this place. I have no idea why I have started this room tour from the bathroom. It's supposed to be the other way around, and I'm quite new to room tour, so please bear with me. This is quite a luxurious and spacious washroom. It is fully equipped with all the toiletries that you will need and much more. And it's not just any random brands, they've stocked up all of Forest Essential products which are Ayurvedic, and they're committed to also environmental sustainability. They're well equipped. They have everything like hair dryer, towels, bathrobes, you name it, you will find it here at the Oberoi. They also have a very nice bathtub. I am sure I'm gonna spend a couple of hours at least in this tub. From the tub, you can actually get a full view of the room as there is a glass, but people inside the room cannot obviously see you inside. So finally, I am outside of the bathroom. So let me start the actual room tour now. This is their deluxe bedroom that comes with a spacious bed, a sofa, a table, and an attached balcony overlooking the gardens. So we had looked for some suite options while we were booking because we wanted everybody to be in the same room, but unfortunately, they don't have any suite rooms. So we ended up booking two different rooms. So this is the balcony that I was talking about. They have a small seating area with a couple of chairs and a table so that you can sit in and soak in the view. When I said Oberoi has impeccable hospitality, mind you, I was not kidding. There are these little things and attention to detail that makes it one hell of a personalized experience. The view from the balcony is stunning, and you can easily spend couple of hours sitting here and just soaking in this view. The Oberoi has so much to offer, and every room comes equipped with a tablet that lists down all the details that you need to know about your room and the resort in general. Let me see what this is all about. Room controls basically tell you how to operate the lights and temperature of your room. Let's go to the food and beverages section, obviously, the most exciting one. So, they have so many food options and so many restaurants that will suit every mood. They also have an in house spa and a salon, and also offers many other quick services like making your room, trolley clearing, collecting your luggage, shining your shoes, and so much more. Now, let me see what is in the communication part. So, it's mostly about weather, internet, and then you also get to see other Oberoi locations. So, I guess now that is all about it. Let's check out another interesting part of the room here, the minibar. So every room also comes occupied with a dedicated tea and coffee station, and they also have so many glasses here in case you want to celebrate any kind of occasion. They have some coasters, they also have some stirrers, and the cups and saucers also come with steel spoons. So now let's look at what is it that they have for tea and coffee. So they have some plenty of options in terms of tea and espresso coffee pots, and they also have some basic wine opener and of course alcohol. So they had these miniature versions of different kinds of alcohol, and obviously these are not complimentary, these are chargeable and you will have to pay if you use them during your checkout. So they had many options, like in whiskey they had Chivas Regal and Black Label. For vodka they had Absolute Vodka, and then they also had Bacardi in white rum. Apart from what they have in the mini bar, they have some really good bars. So if you are in the mood for alcohol, there are way too many options out here. If you're ordering a bottle of wine for any special occasions, they also have a wine opener here. Now let's check out some of the snacks that they have to offer. So this is refreshing. I was actually expecting some junk food and packets of chips, but they actually had a lot of healthy options. They had these digestive biscuits, and they also had yoga bars, and every other snacks that they had were really good. They had cashews, they had almonds, they had makana, and they also had some chocolate bars. So the prices of all of these are listed down. These are again not complimentary. Okay, finally, after that quick room tour and vlog, we are heading out to check out the property. So we are now proceeding towards the lift lobby area and waiting for the lift. Sometimes the Oberoi makes you forget that you are here in the middle of Bengaluru city because it looks like a world outside of Bengaluru. Now, some little details about the Oberoi. The Oberoi is built around a century old rain tree with expansive verdant grounds. This is a testament to the garden city of Bengaluru, and quite honestly, it is responsible for the year round pleasant climate around this place. It truly stands as a testament to the garden city of Bengaluru, and there are so many other sustainability initiatives out here. Like, for example, as part of the commitment to wellness, all guest rooms are equipped with IoT based air purification systems that significantly reduce pollutants and allergens. The Oberoi is a favorite among Indians as well as international tourists that visit Bengaluru for business and other personal reasons. Now, I have understood why. There is so much that will make you fall in love with this place. We just kept walking and kept bumping into one tree after another, one flower after the another. This place was such a bit of lush greenery, and you don't even really need those air purifiers because this place is gonna be so damn pure. Now, the part that you were all waiting for, they have a large and immersive pool, so we can't wait to plunge right in. So, we have decided now to go back to our rooms, get changed, and enjoy some time in the pool before it closes. So, I guess the pool closing time was somewhere around 7 or 8. So, we are heading to our rooms to get changed and then also making some dinner plans for the day. So, in the beginning of this video, I had mentioned that we are here to celebrate a special occasion. So, one of our girls is getting married, and we wanted to surprise her with a bachelorette party. So, this is what we had planned the staycation for. So, take this as a sign and plan that staycation with your girls today. After one hell of a night, we woke up the next morning just in time for breakfast because we knew this place had a spread that cannot be missed. I don't even know where to get started from because the spread was so huge. They had all kinds of cold cuts, cheeses, crackers. They had an assortment of fruits, and when I say fruits, these were exotic fruits like dragon fruit, kiwi, green apple, and also they had some cut fruits like guava, watermelon, papaya, and so many other options. The breakfast pastries were so good, and even though we were trying to restrain sugar from our diet, but they had way too many options, and we ended up picking up at least two or three of these. I've not captured everything in the video, but they also had a spread of cereals and both North Indian and South Indian breakfasts. They also had many live counters for dosa, eggs, and bread, and I ended up ordering a French toast for myself. And that's the end of our staycation at the Oberoi Bangalore. If you've enjoyed this video, do drop a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Mrs. Explorer for more travel content. Until then, bye.